The police have arrested a 16-year-old suspect in the stabbing incident that took place with the police officer at the Toll Plaza in Maypen, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 7 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is reporting that a 16-year-old is now facing several charges following what they describe as a brutal attack on a member of the police force in Maypen, Clarendon at the leg of the PJ Patterson Highway on February 26. The police said that the teen has been charged with wounding with intent assault, intent to rob, and illegal possession of firearm. He was charged following a caution statement he provided to police where he admitted to the crime. The police stated. According to law enforcement officers, during the incident which occurred about 3 a.m. in the morning, the officer, while being stabbed, managed to disarm the teen of an illegal firearm before driving himself to the hospital for emergency treatment. The teen is set to appear in court on Tuesday, March 9. It is stated that during the incident, the police was stabbed 14 times by this 16-year-old individual, and a shotgun was taken from the teen who ran after the police disarmed him. We'll continue to provide you with the latest update in relation to this news story. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 7 TV News Report.